This is the Camara Island here in Barangay Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. Again, Camara Island. That is the Pundakit Island or the Barangay Pundakit. And at the far island is Capones Island. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun here in Camara Island.